If your bucket list looks like a travel magazine, you're a true globetrotter. Let's wander through Thailand together. I touched down in Bangkok and bam! The city's street life hit me with its vibrant colors, sizzling aromas, and that electric chaos. After marveling at the grand temples like Wat Pho, I craved more. Up north in Chiang Mai, I trekked through lush jungles and shared meals with villagers under a blanket of stars. Their warmth and kindness, unforgettable. But wait, there's more. Down to the southern islands, I snorkeled in crystal clear waters and lounged on white sand beaches that felt like paradise. Thailand's mix of rich culture, stunning nature, and genuine hospitality left me spellbound. It's not just a trip, it's an experience that stays with you. And guess what? I know I'll be back someday. Thailand, you were a dream come true.